Hi dear friends, we're gonna be making a pair of earrings, and this is the mix that I got from the January Potomac Beads treasury box. Usually when I get a mix, I like to separate them to kind of get an idea of exactly what do I have. I can decide when I'm making my projects. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to get these beads ready. These are the ladybugs, and we are going to be hanging them in the middle of each earring. From there, we are going to fill up the wire. So we are going to be using head pins, and if you are getting your treasury bags, you should have some because I got them from the Potomac Beads. And then we want to be doing it all at the same time because we want our earrings to be identical. We are going to put our round nose pliers, and we want to bend our wire, put it on top, and we are going to complete our loop. This is what we should have. So we are going to do the same right here. Fold there, rotate, and we want to make sure they're the same size, and they are. We want to wrap around. I'm sorry if I got out of camera. I think I got out of camera, and I apologize. So want to make sure this and it's not gonna hurt us. And the other thing, we need to make sure that this is going to be like this because we want our ladybug like that. So let's go with this one. And if I do one with my fingers, I need to do the other one with my fingers as well because I want it to look exact the same. If we do it with the pliers now, it'll be different because I'll be tightening them a little bit more than if I do it with my fingers. Catch the excess. And we want to tuck this in. Okay, and then we want it like this. I'm gonna cut like 24 inches and then separate it in half. I want to have extra in case I need more. I have these pliers to straighten out my wire. I think I'm gonna have to. I don't think it's that important because we're gonna be putting beads, but just in case, let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna put one of this. I'm gonna put my ladybug, and I'm gonna put one of this as well because in that way these beads will hold that as well. See, or let me, we can do that, and then let me see how many of these ones I have. So okay, so let's put one of these ones, and then one of this one. Okay, that looks good. Let's put these squares. Let me see how many I have. So let's put that in here, and I think this looks better. Let's do this ones. Let's do one of each. So one and one. And we're gonna start shaping our earring now. One and one. There you go. So as you can see, it's gonna working better right now. Yep. We can have another one of this. Let me see if we have four more. And 2, 3. I need one more. 4. We do have 4 more. So let's put this ones. I really like it so far. We have 2 of this. We can put 2 of those. These ones, they're pretty, and guess what? We have enough to put some. So we're gonna put one of these disc, one of these ones, like that. So disc and circle one. I think I'm gonna finish with just this ones. And one of this and one of this. I'm gonna put some of this 11 O's. Okay, so let me move this out of the way so we can finish them. We're gonna put 3 11 O's on each side. So 1, 2, 3. Come out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got 3 and 3. What we are going to do, we are going to put these wires together, and we are going to put our pliers and we want it to be just right there. We want everything to be the same, so we're gonna like bend, and we're gonna bigger loop. So we're going to grab and then rotate, and then we're going to continue until we touch the wire. Same deal, and we are going to, you don't have to do it this way. If you want to cut one wire, you can cut one wire. I just want to see how it looks like this, and it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the thing, we don't have to do things that are perfect. Actually, let me try like this. So with these pliers we hold them, and then we're going to wrap around and see if that gives me a better result, and I think it's going to. So we're going to wrap and wrap. We can do one at a time because I think we're not going to be able to do more. See, this is good. I like it so far. Okay, so this is really nice. I really like this. And so we're going to cut these ones because we're not going to be able to do more. So we're going to cut right here, and then we're going to cut this one, and we are going to hide the ends. And now the challenging part is going to make the other one exact the same. See, I hide the ends right here, and then this needs to be like this, and we can just make sure they are. I don't mind being like this. If you do, well, too bad. We can try to make it perfect. Nothing is perfect in life, so. And I think it's because I think if I would have paid attention, I could make it perfect, but this works for me. So yay! We have one earring, and we just need to put the earring hook. And I have one right here. Let me just show you. I really like it. I think they're kind of long, but it's up to you. And I can make them rounder if I want them smaller. So we're just gonna grab our earring hook, and we are going to put it through here and close it. And there you go. We have our beautiful earrings, and I love them. I do love them. Let me see. Let me show you. So if you want them smaller, you can just open up and shape them the way you want to. See, that makes them a little bit smaller. Okay, so I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to start making more videos. My work is 10-12 hour shifts, and I don't have time to do what I really love. So please visit the Petersburg Beads company. Until next time, thank you.